First of all, we would like to open screener.in. Here you need to enter Larsen. The first step that I take while analyzing any stock is I move to profit and loss account. I take a broad picture. You see, the revenue, the sales are increasing each year. So that means the company is growing since the last 10 years, which is a very good point to begin with. Then narrow down your perspection. Just look at these 3 years. See, infrastructure market has been down from like last 5 years. And look at the L&T profit and loss chart. March 2018, the sales were 1,19,000 crore. March 19, the sales were 1,35,000 crore. This means that there is an approximate 12% increase in sales at time when the infrastructure market is like very low. And even the same thing continues from 19 to 2020. So you must be understanding that L&T is growing despite all the difficulties that it is facing in the economy and the low purchasing power of the people. So I give its PL account 9 out of 10. Just looking at the PL account, I can definitely say that go and invest in the stock if we just talk about the PL perspective. Now I would like to move towards the chart. 5-year chart, I always prefer viewing my stocks from a long perspective. But we are not here to trade. Trading gives you losses. No matter how much anybody advertise, do not go into trading. It doesn't mean that I'm saying that hold a share for 5 years or 6 years. When you think that a share has reached its intrinsic value, the value that it should have actually been, sell it immediately. You might have 10% profits, 20% profits, 30% profits. But when the share has reached its intrinsic value, sell it. Okay. So coming back to L&T, you can see that there is a steady growth. See, the company rose, consolidated a bit, rose, consolidated, rose, and now is in a consolidation phase. You all know that for a blooming company, when the consolidation phase ends, there is bound to be a rising slope. But due to COVID-19, the slope fell. The slope fell like 50 points, 500 points, 50% of its value. COVID-19 has given you an opportunity to invest in Larsen and Toubro. Do you see the lines, the blue lines here, the light blue lines? They mean they refer to the delivery quantities. When the light blue lines are bigger, you must understand that people are storing the stock. They have realized the value of the L&T stock and they are accumulating the stock and they will sell it when they realize that the market has come to its true value. So guys, this is a one-time opportunity. You can easily earn 50% returns in 2 years. A very stable stock, a very low chance for losses. See, if COVID-19 would not have been here, it would have gone from something like 1600 to 1400. If it would have continued its consolidation phase, it would have touched 1400. If it would have started the bullish phase, the growth phase, it would have touched 1600 or even 1700. So I hope that you have understood my point. There are other aspects too to the stock, but they all are in favor of the rise. I may extend the video to another 5 minutes, but I would not like to weigh upon your valuable time. Guys, I will be giving my email ID down below, so you can contact me there. Soon as I keep on uploading my videos and my family starts growing, I will also be giving my WhatsApp number. So kindly do the needful. Kindly like, subscribe, and share my video. I'm very passionate about the stock market, and I believe that stock market makes your money earn for you. Usually, what happens is people they do their jobs, they do their businesses, but they do not let their money earn for them. The capital investment is a very big thing. Person with a good capital and the way to manage it can live their entire life without doing any stressful job. They can totally rely on their investments. So hello, I hope that you like my video. Thank you. Bless me. And please do the needful. गाइस अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए थैंक यू